Are you a beginner in software project management and then you hear a whole lot of things when people say or tweet or write about that you don't need any knowledge, any programming knowledge to understand what software project management is all about? But I want to bust your bubbles right now. I'm so sorry to say this, but as a project manager, you manage the process, so you must be part of the process. What does that really mean? A developer tells you that his task for the day is to pull repo, and you'll be like, pull repo? Oh, that sounds so hard. Why don't you use today's to pull repo? Because it sounds like a very difficult thing. Pull repo! No. So you are in a meeting, in a brainstorming session with your team members comprising of your designers, developers, DevOps, QA, and then everyone is just giving opinion. No, this should be done this way, this should be done this way, and you are just there, seated there as the project manager. I mean, you don't know what to say. You're just like, anything you guys say that should be done. No, that is not it. You need to understand as a designer, from the designer's perspective, what should be done, because it makes you to pay more attention to details. So once the front end or back end guys are done, they have deployed to staging or production, you are able to understand if these guys are actually implementing according to the requirements, and also the test script that will be written by the QA guys. We need to understand if this thing is also according to the requirements. You get? So what do you need to do? Learn, understand the basics of designing, understand designs, understand the basics of development, understand the basic of quality assurance. You get? So you won't just be lost during sessions like this. I mean, I've heard a whole lot of things that project managers are just glorified managers, they don't do anything. No, you are not a glorified project manager. Understanding these things makes work, I mean, really smooth for your team members. You communicate effectively when it comes to asking your team members, the QA, the designer, whoever it is, the right question, and you know the answer that you should be getting. I mean, you understand this thing, so you ask the right question. You're not bugging them with unnecessary questions, so they have time to work. I think it's really important you understand how all these things work, so you make work quite easy for you and your team members, and also help you to communicate well with your stakeholders. With this, you're managing. Don't forget that project management is all about you managing people, process, and tools. So you need to combine both together. Please don't miss out on this.